Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Ecom by Nick, and here we talk about dropshipping, ecom, everything surrounded that. And today I will start a series where I test a AI tool, because of course you haven't slept under a rock or something, but AI is taking over the ecom space. Of course, you can't even say that they are taking over anymore. It's already done. I'm using AI every day and everyone is doing it. I can't even remember like 1.5 years ago how it was not using AI. Let's test a tool. That was my idea. I take one tool and I test it, how much we can use it. Because the big thing right now is that you need like 5-6 subscription of different AI tools and different things when you're doing your ads, when you are optimizing your ads, when you are everything around you. This now we are talking about ads and marketing. So I will test Mako and this AI tool. If anyone have used it, please comment below also. So I will test this tool and I will do it with this brand. That's my brand, Oila. And we are selling in US and we are selling peptide serum and a little bit other things, but the peptide serum is our bestseller. So I think we will go with that. So yeah, let's just start. This will be a quite raw video. You will just follow along when I work and test out this, because this is also my first time testing this platform. So this will be totally honest review. So I have started an account and it says that it needs my website. So let's put it in. I don't know if we should put it in the website or the product page to our bestseller. Maybe we'll learn more about us. So let's put in the website first. Yes, and directly we got the answer of that. So on our question. So it will ask us to use my total website or one of the products. I think we will go with the peptide serum right now, because that's our bestseller. Are you running ads right now? Yes, actively spending. Which platform? Meta and Google. Monthly ad spend 5k to 20k, 20k plus 5, 20k. What frustrated you the most? I don't know, the competition expanding to new countries is a headache. I waste budget on creatives that flops. We take that one. What takes up most of your time? Figuring out what to create next, designing static ads and carousel ads, producing video or UGC content. Figuring out what to create next and producing, of course, the content for my brand. If I could fix one thing, create quality output without agency costs, testing more variations. That's not because we're not using agency. Testing more variation without more work, of course. Knowing which ideas will actually convert. Keep creatives fresh before they fatigue. I think this too is really good. And now it will analyze my brand, I think. Yes. Possible competitors. Yes, this is our competitors. Brand colors. It has some good information. 40 plus. 30 day. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. Let's put next. Korea. Our highlights. Korean inspired eco cert. That's really good that we are eco certificated. Strong proofs, framing. 30 days. We have trusted. Yeah, we have trust. It's Korean inspired and that's really trendy, so that's good also. 30 days subscription we have, so that's also good. 3% prevention. Okay, now they have find our ideal audience, and that's the starter, the firmness seeker, and the clean care loyalist. Okay, let's see next. Pick your inspirations brands. Okay, I will go with the one they have, because the ordinary is really one inspiration we have. Okay, so we got this. Let's see. We will swipe. Okay, I skipped it. Your first piece are ready. 7-star viral campaign. Funny. Just what we are making for you. Email banner, Instagram. You see, they can do anything for your brand. Okay, see my content. And this is the content that Mako has made for me. And this is create ads. You can create variations. You can ask Mako what's a different way. How do I create AI UGC? Things like this. Okay, and here they will like get to know you better, I think, by just, okay, you can clone your competitors' ads. Let's clone 3 ads or something like that. And here you can really build a good portfolio. It's really cool. Really, really cool. So let's see what they have done. Yeah, they are creating the ads for us by like going for the things we choose now. And this is things they have already created for us. So you're really good. You can create how much content you want here. So this is really, really good. So you see, this is the content they created or cloned for us. Really, really good. You see the original, and here is mine. This is really, really good. What I've seen so far is I like it. And what we will do next time, we will try to make, I think, an AI UGC ad here. We will try to put it to work to make something for our social media and things like that. So this will be a raw series where I just work with this tool for like a month or something, and I do everything for the brand, my brand, in a month on this tool, Mako. And this is I don't have any affiliate link or something. I will leave a link, of course, to the tool down below. But there's no affiliate link or anything like that. I'm just open saying that, and I'm just doing this because I want to test it and to test what you can do with AI and how far you can take it with one tool, because I think everyone is getting a little bit tired of having like 15 subscriptions every month right now. So this is what I will do. Maybe I will test other tools also, but I will do this series with this one. And hopefully I see you in the next video. I will always, of course, leave a link to Shopify below. They have like 3 months for $1 a month right now. So take advantage of that, and I see you in the next video.